Okay, hello guys. I'm hoping you looked over the place value video already. This is a little bit of second part to review the place value system. So our focus is going to be about place value. Our number of the day is 1000. So we're really going to look at this block now. Vocabulary pictorial form uses pictures p p p. Remember that? Standard form uses digits d d d. Word form uses letters. And expanded form uses value. One of the strategies will be the base 10 blocks. So if you know those blocks, you know those numbers. Okay? Our objective for today, we will know how to represent numbers. We'll understand the different ways to represent a number using base 10 blocks. So that's our focus. We'll be able to describe the ways to represent a number. Okay? Make sure you look at the base 10 blocks. Okay, so what block is it? If you don't know the name, how much is it worth, the value, anything you know about this block. So keep in mind, you're welcome to pause and hopefully you get it right. So what block is it? Ones, and there are 8 ones, so the value is 8. Hopefully you got it right. Next, again, what block is it? Don't forget to pause and think, what block is it? Remember what it has, how is it composed, what is the name? Okay? Is it 10? So when I have 1 10, it equals to 10 ones. So that's the block. Se llaman las decenas, tens. Now what value? Value means how much is it worth. So if I have 4 tens, how much is it? Don't forget to pause and then unpause when you're ready. Pause for thinking, and then when you're ready, unpause. So it's 4 tenths. 4 tenths equals 40. Okay? Make sure you're pausing so you can actually think with the video. What block is it? So think about it. Some of us have started watching it. And we're going to see a lot more this week. Okay? So that's the hundreds block. It's 100 block, so it equals 100. Okay? Ciento. And in English is 100. Ciento, 200, 300. English is 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay? So now how much is it? If I have 2 of the hundreds, don't forget to pause, and you'll see it soon. Okay? 2 hundredths is 200 block equals 200, right? This one is the one that some of it was in the test, so I need to start showing you that one soon. Okay? So what block is it? Just think about it. 1000. So se llama 1000. Un millar, 1000. 1000 block. Okay? So now that you know this is 1000, you should know what this is. What value? Hopefully you can tell. Don't get tricked with the hundreds. So ready? This is 1030. Keep in mind I don't have anything in the hundreds right now because I don't have any loose hundreds. I have all my 10 hundreds right here. Okay? So it's 1030. 1030. I had to go a little bit in Spanish for that one. Okay? So we're going to do a little bit of a practice right here. So I'm going to exit so I can use my tools. Place value problem. There are 10 cookies on each plate. There are 13 plates. How many cookies in all? So if I'm asking for the number of cookies, keep in mind that I have to make sure that I have it ready. Okay? So if I have 10 cookies on each plate, but there are 13 plates. So I'm going to draw my 13 plates first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But each plate has 10 cookies. So 10 allí, 10, 10, 10, 10 cookies, 10 cookies, 10 cookies, 10 cookies. Well, I could draw them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like chocolate chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But that takes me forever, so I'm going to go back to my standard form. Right? So now I'm going to ask, how many cookies are there in all? So in total. So if I have to look, I can count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. So I have 130 cookies in 13 plates. En un plato tenía 10 solamente, pero en 13 platos tengo 130 galletas. Okay? So keep that in mind. I had 130 cookies because I drew my 13 plates and my 10 cookies on each plate en cada plato. Okay? That's the confusing part. And I practiced that one because you will see something like that in the test. Okay? Okay. So in conclusion, we learned how to represent numbers using base 10 blocks. I know the ones, I know the tens, I know the hundreds, and I'm learning the thousands. Every day I need you to check your Schoology assignments for math and science. Complete your extra math in your session for Prodigy for 20 minutes. Make sure you complete every single assignment with a puzzle piece. Because that's the one that you will take for grade, especially your test this week. But I'm going to put major grade. El examen grande. Okay? Hopefully this video helped you review place value. And don't be afraid of hundreds and thousands. Okay? Thank you.